In order to keep up with a world that expects everything to be delivered instantaneously, the marine transportation industry must evolve equally as fast. No company is more prepared to keep up with that pace than Global Container Terminals. With 2 strategically located terminals in Port Metro Vancouver, GCT Canada is the heart of Canada's Asia-Pacific gateway. As a Canadian-owned company, we have been supporting and investing in the region's growth since 1907. As Canada's flagship terminal, we are already hard at work preparing for the future. With container ships continuing to grow in size, more cargo can be transported with fewer crossings and less vessels. Over time, this will result in decreased emissions and environmental impact. To accommodate the rise in Canadian and U.S. destined rail volume, we are expanding our intermodal rail yard at GCT Deltaport. This environmentally conscious project will increase rail yard capacity by more than 50%, all within the existing footprint. The expansion will optimize the terminal's layout by rearranging the rail tracks into a more efficient design. Equipment for the intermodal yard will be upgraded, including the addition of modernized electric rail cranes. The reconfiguration, combined with the newer equipment, will help decrease noise pollution, tractor idling time, and greenhouse gas emissions. The new arrangement means the majority of work can be performed a safe distance away from the working tracks. While the new high-mast LED lighting and quieter rail cranes will reduce light and noise pollution. The result is a safer environment for our workforce and less disruption to the surrounding neighborhoods. The rail yard expansion allows GCT Deltaport to safely and efficiently handle the increased cargo volume so that we can meet not only our customers' needs, but those of the community as well. It is our goal to ensure that cargo always arrives on time. Most importantly, this project will have significant economic and environmental benefits to the local community in Canada. Our expansion is part of a larger Port Metro Vancouver initiative. Once completed, the D-Trip projects will create more than 5,000 new jobs throughout construction and during the subsequent operation of the various phases. The projects will also result in a combined $500 to $900 million in economic benefits for British Columbia and Canada. By substantially increasing the capacity of the rail yard within our existing footprint, impact on the environment and surrounding communities is minimized. No additional land will be required to complete the project, and there will be no disruption to wetlands and coastal habitats. The GCT Deltaport Rail Yard expansion is another example of our forward-thinking, all-encompassing approach to streamline operations and support the growth of the transportation industry as well as the local community. But no matter how fast that future moves or how much our terminals change, our first priority is always the well-being and safety of our workforce, their families, future generations, and the communities where they live, work, and play. Global Container Terminals, where tomorrow arrives today.